All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of our $50 free break credit that can be used towards any breaks for this coming week or any future weeks. We had 239 non-winning entries. So we're going to check the time, February 11th at 11:40 a.m. I'm going to go over to the freebie and type live. And we have February 11th at 11:40 a.m. Again, there is the list of our 239 non-winning entries. We're just going to randomize the whole list, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So because of the size of the list, we're going to need 3 dice, 8 or higher. And we have 10. All right, 10 times, guys. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is, oh, sorry. We got 10. I'm sorry. There's 8. There's 9. It's been a long morning and it's 11 o'clock. All right, now last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is John. Spot 13 is our winner. So, John, you have a $50 break credit to spend for this week. Get down to the bottom here. There is our verification code and our timestamp, February 11th, 11:41 a.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.